Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my channel everybody. So I am currently working on my paper pumpkin alternative videos for August 2024 kit called Time for Cake. Yes it is. It was a birthday themed kit. Yes it was, and yeah. So I know some of you really loved it. I loved playing with it. I love right now because I'm not doing birthday stuff with it. I'm trying to do other stuff with the last few of my projects. So this is alternative video number 17. Now I will tell you videos 1 through 5. I show you everything in the kit. And after that, we're kind of like over that and we just move on. So I'm going to show you what those projects look like. So you got to make 3 of this one, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one on the back, that QR code that leads you to a video that will show you how to put the cards together as they were designed. None of my videos do that. I'm sorry for you if that is what you were looking for. I kind of tend to do my own thing with these kits because I love the creative challenge. I love creating something different. So this QR code here would have led you to a set of 3 dies you could purchase that coordinated with August, July, and September. September being the leaf, August being the hooray, and July, August, September. July being the flower, August being hooray, September being the leaf. There is a visual of everything you get in the kit and then the coordinating colors. As this being, I'm looking for it and I promptly have misplaced it at the moment. Nope, there it is. It's in the box. And there went supplies. Okay, so you got, for the stamp set that was included, got these 3 little candles, the little sparkle bit for the candle, 2 balloons, celebrate, happy birthday, which I, right off the button, cut happy in half so I could stack happy on top and birthday below. Lost count, it's time for cake. On the back, you got the numbers 1 through 8 as the number 6 can be flipped to be number 9. A banner, second, first, third, fourth, whatever you want to go there. So that being said, let's go over supplies that you will need for this one. So we're gonna rescue the card base that I didn't like this from video number 16 because this is video number 17. We're going to rescue this and use this card base. We are going to use half of a card base from the kit. We are going to use a piece of an envelope from the kit cut to 3 3/4 by 5. A white envelope, a little strip which is about a 1/2 inch strip. I'm not sure how much else it's going to be. A cake layer because I'm going to use it for a sentiment strip. And then I have, this is a 1 inch strip by 5 1/2 that we are going to use it in its entirety. Then we are still going to be using March 2023's 10 years. Oh, maybe use that for the envelope. On my mind, July 2019's Hello Friend for the front, and you've been on my mind for the inside, and then probably this little flower for the card as well. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is cut this in half, this being my last card base, and I'm hoping I can get to 20. I'm having a feeling that I'm only probably going to get to 19. I just don't know if I can squeeze any more out of this kit. And I want this to be at 4 1/4. I only need to cut it that far because it needs to go directly on top of my mishap here, which it might need to do a little fan. Nope, that's going to be perfect. So we're going to get this glued down immediately. And I'm just going to cover it with glue, getting glue on top of everything else. Why not? Right? So I just found out there's no practice tonight. Yay! That means I'm going to sit here And I'm going to try to finish up these paper pumpkin videos, because I got other stuff I want to do and share with you guys. Thank you all so much for letting me share this with you, because I enjoy doing this so much. And I feel like each and every time I come out here to make a video that you guys are right here with me. I mean, I really do. You may not be physically here with me, but trust me, you are here with me. You guys are right here with me. So this is going to be, this is what you would call a portrait card. This is what you would call a landscape. This is going to be a landscape card. So this piece is going to go down just in the center like so. Real simple, easy little card. Okay, anybody can do this. You could do this layout with any supplies that you have. This is real simple, easy one. I kind of, with the way this pattern is for the inside of, this is the inside, of course, of the envelope. I just like it going in this direction. This now is gonna just go across like this. So we're gonna glue this down. Bless you, TT. So all I'm gonna do is go probably like 1 inch up from the bottom. Oh, it might help if I actually get it 1 inch on both sides up from the bottom. Might help to be straight. There we go. Turn it back that way. So simple, guys. There's not much to this at all. So I'm gonna stamp on this. I did this one in pink, right? But I want it to be in Night of Navy, so we have to restamp now. Hello, friend. In Night of Navy. Yes, it's okay. That one can always go in my little box of goodies. There we go. No Stampin' Pierce mat. I'm just going for it. All right. Oh, I'm going to need that in a minute, but I closed it up anyways. So all we're going to do is take this, and I'm not even going to put any, as I say, I'm not going to put any dimensionals on it. You know what we're going to do? We are going to glue that one to that one, because I'm not sure. I know that I will not be using this piece, and I'm thinking, okay, how much can I layer in there to give it some, yeah, we're going to layer some stuff up there just to use up some of these scrap bits that are here and just to use it up. Why not? There's no reason why I can't do it. I can just layer that one like so, and we're going to do that. Because I have still strips I haven't used. Because I did different stuff with my cake. I layered 2 cakes together, and I'm so happy I did because I really like the result. Okay. So these 2 pieces, I mean, this is a good sentiment strip, so I'm going to keep those, even if I don't end up, not sure what I can do with those, but I don't think I need any more. I'm just going to leave that. Now, I am going to put this like so, and then I'm going to cut the edge off. So let's put glue on the back here. I'm going to center it-ish, and then I'm going to cut an angle on it. Grab some scissors. We're going to go in the same rough direction. There we go. That's it. That's our card. I'm telling you, nothing hard. This is so easy. Right? Stick it in the center. That's it. Then I'm going to open it up. I'm looking for the Stampin' Pierce mat, but I don't see it right at the minute, so we're just going to, oh, I really would like it. I really would, but I don't. I just had it. I did, and I just, oh, found it. Don't know where the, I don't know where my scratch paper, I do know where the scratch paper is, underneath the Pretty in Pink. So you've been on my mind. one-handed. Look at that. You've been on my mind. Ta-da! And we are going to put a little flower right there. Sweet, simple, easy peasy. Gonna set that over there. Let's do our envelope. We're gonna do one little flower right there. We are gonna do hello friend on the envelope as well. And I think we're gonna leave it at that. That is how quick this one was. Yes! So, simple, simple. No fuss, no... I mean, you could do bling on it. You could do whatever you want on it. You could do, we're gonna look at bling. We'll look, because I'm thinking maybe like 1, 2, 3 little stones if I find a blue that I want to use. The trick is if I find a blue that I really like, because that's what I'm looking for. A blue, blue, blue. That would be perfect, but that's the wrong shape. So let's go to the other box. A box, please. I don't want shiny. Don't want that. No. No. Oh, I love those. No, wrong shade. Nope. But, maybe. Nope. Those are the same ones. Those need to go back in that package. I think these were from a paper pumpkin. Actually, those might really work. Let's see. Why do I have to... Oh. I know those are boho blue. Those might work as well. Let's see what else we have. Guess what? I'm thinking... What if those white ones... Actually, those might really work. See, sometimes you never know unless you put something down that draws your eye. And I know those are pecan pie, but we have the wild wheat. And I'm just going to have to look at it closer up, guys, because I'm thinking that really draws my eye to it. So I'm going to go for it. And do I want to do like two big ones and a big one and 2 little ones? Or do I just want to go all little ones? I think I want to do little ones. And there's 3 just hanging out here waiting to be used. So we'll do 1. I like this. I probably shouldn't have stuck it in the center of the flower because that's probably going to bug me, but... Two. Come on. Have to bend this over and then do, oh no, that'll work. Look at that. It really blends. That's perfect. And in my opinion, I'm so happy I chose that. Okay, let me put these back in there because sometimes these will get hit and they'll pop off. And I want to put them in this way. And these, I know those were from like a paper pumpkin or something. So, what do you guys think? That was quick and easy, right? Simple, simple. Yes, you've been on my mind. I love it. So, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like what I do and you watch my videos, if you are not subscribed, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. It really does help me. It surprises me that I have so many people who watch my videos are not subscribed. I understand that people don't like subscribing, but it really does help us out when you do subscribe. It helps get my videos played. So just consider it. As well, why I do this because of the feedback I get. It means so very, very much to me. I read all of the comments. I comment back. If something, I like to do it while I charge my back. I have a unit installed in my spine that has given me pain relief. Sometimes I can't always do that. There are some things come up and I can't, but I do try to comment each and every day to those comments. So thank you all so very much for your time when you do take the time to comment. And I hope to see you all again here in my Wonderland. Bye bye for now, everybody.